Thank you bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. What I'm getting bafethu ukuthi uVelebayi uzoba khona ku-match day squad kusasa. Sazi ukuthi uzoqala igame or uzongena second half or kanjani or uzoba khona ebhenchini, but uzoba khona ku-match day squad. That's for sure. uVelebayi sombona kusasa bafethu. I'm excited ukumbona umfana after isikhathi esingaka naye afuna ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Siyazi ukuthi he was delayed by iclub yakhe ukuthi bangamdedeli, and then sededelwe i-PSL-ke manje semnike i-right ukuthi ajoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs still Cape Town Spurs. They fought this thing, but-ke uVelebayi potentially i-chance inkulu ukuthi adlale kusasa, inkulu ngempela bafethu, because ukhona ku-match day squad. Yeah, super exciting bafethu for umfana omncane. I remember this one guy uthe kimi wathini, angazi mehlangana nami ungitshele ukuthi uVelebayi wakuphi, umazi kanjani. So bengixoxela i-story from a small town, and then he was telling me ukuthi ba-proud kangakanani yena as an individual, u-proud kangakanani. But-ke mdala ubhuti wakhona, but uyasho ukuthi nje around the small town kaVelebayi, ngathi uthe kusemakhaya or ey'lalini whatever, I can't remember what he said, but uthi ba-proud kangakanani ngokuthi khona umuntu wangakubo bafowethu odlala ku-PSL, and they've been waiting for this ukuthi uVelebayi abe cleared ukuthi akwazi ukudlala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Before lapho bafowethu, because manje ilokhunjana i-case seyiphelile, I want to talk about into serious, ngibe serious ngayo yonke lento le. I've been serious about reporting the case, but I was reporting just as umuntu oripotayo kuphela. But I want to get to the depth of lento le nezezimali zaku-PSL. When I was bengisebenzela i-agent elimanager amaplayer amaningi waku-PSL. So there's no way ukhulisa umuntu ungatholi nix bafethu, especially for i-case ye-Cape Town Spurs, ne? But nayo inkinga, into esuke i-PSL yamosha yonke lento le. Akusiyi Cape Town, umphathi we-Cape Town Spurs methi imithetho ye-PSL kumele ubhekwe uclose, ezinye izinto zishintshwe. Akaqamba amanga bafethu, because there was an incident kule agent leli bengilisebenzela. I-team, one of the big threes, basayina i-player, balisayina mahhala because alina team, right? And then into eyenzeka-ke after lokho, bahamba bayofuna umuntu oke wadlala kuye lo mfana emncane enabo 15 or 14, unamakhadi wala maligi adlala kuwo. And then bathi loya bhuti loya approach i-PSL DC ukuthi wamkhulisa lo mfana, because le agency bengiyi-represent or bengiyisebenzela ayizange ithole nix from iClub beyithi yaba-sideline. Guess what, balanda umuntu elokishini owamkhulisa, bathi I think bathola 500,000 overall just nje ukulaya i-team ukuthi, because uyayi-approach i-DC, and then ufike wonke umuntu uma umkhulisile umuntu bafowethu wadlala ethimini yakho, you played a role, nawe udlalile indima yakho ukuthi lo muntu laphumelele, right? Umthetho webhola worldwide naku-PSL DC ikhona lokuthi uyabenefitha something, but-ke uyakwazi ukusolva iy'nkinga eceleni, but unfortunately ama-team waku-PSL amaningi umthetho awuqinanga that much. And then after lo incident, because bekuyi-big team ekhipha i-500,000, yanika umuntu waselokishini i-500,000, but guess what, lo 500,000 azange iye kumuntu waselokishini yonke, because lento beyiphushwa i-agency, and then angazi ukuthi basherelana kanjani, kodwa-ke wathola naye i-piece yakhe, ne-agency yathola i-piece yakhe. And then they went back to lento le elokishini. Yabona abantu abadlala ibhola elokishini, especially Thembisa, Soweto, bayayazi lento engizokhuluma ngayo manje, ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns, mina I'm close to iMamelodi Sundowns kunawo wonke ama-team bafethu. Angazi kunabantu more than 100 abadlalela iMamelodi Sundowns engibaziyo bafethu, because the easiest team obongayidlalela close to la mina engikhulela khona iMamelodi Sundowns, yabo. So they would take inkinga baphumelele baningi abadlala ku-PSL, just badlala kwamanye ama-team, but bandlulile kuMamelodi Sundowns. Ukuthi angibafuni ukukhuluma ngapha, but I'll talk about uModisha Mujeka for example. Siyazi ukuthi akasekho, alale ngoxolo umfethu, but bamsayine kuphi, bamthathe, there was this team Thembisa Sports Center or so, bakhipha imali, some form of imali, but o-coach baselokishini abanye bayafihla. Khona o-coach basemalokishini abanama-relationship nabo Mamelodi Sundowns nabo Kaizer Chiefs. So o-Kaizer Chiefs bebakhipha iMamelodi Sundowns, yes, ngikhulume nge-Sundowns, into bengiyibona bebakhipha around 10,000 or uma 7,000 for umfana, bebamsayina. Why? Ukuthi by the time adlala professional, iMamelodi Sundowns i-owner ama-rights wakhe 100% ama-rights. Akekho umuntu ozofika anyonyobe ethi ngamkhulisa lo muntu, mefika athi ngamkhulisa kuthiwa hayibo wanikwa i-6,000 wena ngo-2015, uyakhumbula unika i-6,000, ngaleso sikhathi wawusithengisela ama-right, sawathatha wonke omfana. Manje bongazi na ukuthi uzofika la afike khona namhlanje. Ama-rights sawathatha wonke, sawathatha sese-cheap. But-ke if you don't sell the player, you don't get anything from the player, uyalinda nje ugoqa izandla. By the time adlala ku-P_S_L uyasondela. But ngoba i-corruption iningi eSouth Africa and isafa ayithatha izinto serious. Sibonile manje isafa ise-court bafethu, bayise court for ukuthi since 2019 ama-player awakhokhelwa. Angazi ukuthi umthetho washintsha nini, but khona nala washintsha khona ba-eda ama-rules or ama-laws are different, ama-clause whatever, zonke lezo zinto lezo i-600 page into yakhona kumele uyifunde imithetho yonke yaku-P_S_L eprotect ama-team ukuthi sewangakwazi ukuthatha ama-player without ukukhokhela labantu laba ababadevelopha. We even saw lento eyenzeka ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, kuhamba ama-player. Remember Kaizer Chiefs bethi ifuna 3 million for ama-player laphana ku-DDC team ngasikhathi kunenkinga kuthiwa bazojoyina AmaZulu, angazi abanye bazojoyinani, and then kwangenelela i-Players Union. Yathi i-Players Union no, Kaizer Chiefs ngeke nithole lutho. Kaizer Chiefs because 3 million imali encane zange balokhu bayigijimisa bayilandelela, bavele bayishiya kanjalo i-case. So i-Captain Spurs mayipresenta le case ukuthi indlela ayipresenta ngayo ulo iyabheda. Why ngithi iyabheda indlela ayipresenta ngayo? Ukuthi i-offer beyikhona ekuqaleni, hayi ukuthi bavele bamntshontsha uvele baye bamthatha. I-Kaizer Chiefs there was a time laba ba-offera khona i-4 million bayi-rejecta, and even this year babatshele ngale bengakamsayini uvele babatshele ngokuthi since ni-amateur singamthola uvele sikunike i-1.5 million according to FIFA ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ibe protected by ama-laws we-FIFA, bayi-rejecta yet again. Yabo abovele bagcine behamba kanjani mahhala. So iKaizer Chiefs kule setup yonke lento le ayinacala, kuba necala ayinalo icala, but indaba engakhulunywa le. But at the same time ama-player azosho neKaizer Chiefs ukuthi hayi bondoda seza kuwe thina sathi wena wa-rejecta la nala nala. But asiphume kulezo bafethu zamapolitiki. Can't wait ukubona umfana laphana uvele bayi edlala for iKaizer Chiefs bafethu. What a day for umfana. I think kuzoba emotional, umndeni wakhe, abangani bakhe, bonke abantu azobe wakhula nabo, they will be waiting for this game. So it's possibly the biggest game of his life because it's the first game yakhe laphana kuKaizer Chiefs. I don't know if bazomintroducer from ebhenchini, I don't know ukuthi bazombeka ebhenchini ukuthi ajwayele ukuba sebhenchini kuqala, but uzoba khona ebhenchini 100%. Mengeke ebhenchini angisazi because what I got ukuthi uvele bayikhona ku-match day squad. Cela ukuyibamba la kwamanje bafethu. uBatman-ke angisazi isitori sakhe, angifuni uqamba amanga, but-ke sobona ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs izofuna ukumdlalisa nini. Sikhumbule ukuthi uBatman mncane kancane bafethu, so Kaizer Chiefs they might have isikhathi ne-patience ukuthi bazomintroducer nini kanjani, but umuntu obhekwe kakhulu bafethu uvele baye ubhekwe kakhulu ukuthi adlale for iKaizer Chiefs. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Making sure bafethu ukuthi we are making this platform the biggest platform in the country, so that labantu abafuna ukungithenga kudala, abafuna ukungithenga bafethu, bafuna ukuthenga le page, bafuna nginyamalale, but I'm saying angiyindawo because I love ukukhuluma ngendlela yami without ukutshela ukuthi khuluma kanje, ungayisho lento, yabo. So ngicela ukuyibamba la. Danko bafethu.